Hi, welcome to our vlog.
Hi. Who the heck is our?
Hey guys, and welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to Flagstaff.
So, we're on our way to Phoenix because we're freaking Mikkel, and we decided to go to Flagstaff for a literal day.
Well, we're all off.
And we're all off, and Cody's off, and we might see Kate, so literally the perfect day. Tuesday's great, but we had some minor complications with my work because, you know, Target's the best job in the world. Obviously, I never complain about it. We're on our way to Phoenix, and we packed a lot of clothes and a lot of snacks. So many snacks just for this friggin' 4-hour trip there. So oh my god, no way. No way. Long time no see. So we're back. Oh, we missed Mikkel so much.
It's been so long, I didn't even know what to tell you guys.
Yeah, we know. It's been rough.
I really can't believe it. I just can't.
It's been a rough day without Mikkel.
One day. Okay, so I'm editing this vlog and it doesn't really make sense because for some reason I didn't like vlog anything, like I didn't explain what we were doing. So basically, once we got up there, what did we even do? We went over to his friend's house that night, and then the next day, which these clips are from, we went to like this waterfall. Like it was like a little park. What was it called? It was called Picture Canyon. And funny little story about that, I actually dropped Mikkel's phone in the water, and it was kind of scary. It was like in my boot, and so when I was like climbing on something, it slipped out of my boot, and Alyssa's like, oh my god, Alexis, your phone just fell down the waterfall. So obviously we're freaking out. Then I find out it's Mikkel's phone, and Alyssa's like, nope, it's gone. And I'm like, where is it? And she's like, it dropped over by that rock. So I went and looked by the rock, and I got like stuck under it. So I grabbed it. It was a 6. It survived. Everything was fine, but what's in there? Clues? Let's just play. Let's just play.
I want to play this game. What do you do?
There's too much. There's a map.
There's a lot.
Holy shit.
Oh wow, they really are.
They really did it.
There are pictures of all the so box 1 and box 2.
This is for like the police thing, because they train here, is what they were saying.
So after we were done at the waterfall, we went and got some lunch with Cody's friend Marcella, and then we went to this little bar across from his apartment, and it's called The Mayor. It's really cute. And we played cornhole. Cody and Mikkel won against Alyssa and I. We did not do good. That was mostly because I am not good at cornhole. Who knew? But yeah, we were mostly just hanging out there. So then we hung out there until around like 4, and then we decided to go through Sedona, so it took like an hour longer because we stopped and we took pictures and whatever. And we got home pretty late, but it was a really fun day, little day trip. thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Shout out to the Twitter follower, Will Albrecht. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. Go! Alexis, it's really not that far. Go. 3.
It is. It's so far.
It's really
if
so.
you were here right now.
No, how far was that? How far? That was so dramatic. That was so dramatic.
It wasn't very far at all.
It wasn't far.